Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add size chart to WooCommerce WordPress. So, first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for WordPress account. Okay, and then you just have to log into your account. After that, you just have to go to the plugins and then make sure that you have installed the WooCommerce. Okay, so you have that right here. So you tap on this one, you have to upgrade your plan to business plan in order for you to have the WooCommerce. And once you have done installing this one and upgrading your plan, you just have to go back here on plugins, and then you just have to search for size chart. Okay, and then make sure to select the second option. So this one, product size chart plugin by WooCommerce. So tap on this one. Okay, and then of course, after upgrading your plan, then you just have to install this one, and then tap on the activate that you can find in the option. And then after that, you just have to follow the prompt, and you'll be able to add now your new size chart or delete your existing size chart. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.